Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing, benchmarking, and testing the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714, and I'm going to be comparing it to an HP Chromebook X360 all the way back from 2020. I hope you like the video, and without further ado, let's start. As you can see, the laptop is presented pretty nicely. It comes in a box, and inside of that box there's a smaller box with the laptop wrapped in a microfiber cloth held in place by two cardboard pieces. To the right of the laptop and the cardboard pieces, there is a smaller box containing a 65-watt USB-C charger. I unfortunately do not have footage of me unboxing the HP Chromebook X360 because I bought it a long time ago and I was not expecting to make a video with it. Sorry about that. As you can probably hear, the speakers on the HP Chromebook X360 are definitely its advantage. As you can see, the screen on the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714 definitely has superior contrast, along with the fact that it's brighter and has a larger aspect ratio. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714 definitely has a superior screen. As you can probably see from the benchmarking results, the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714 has superior graphics to the HP Chromebook X360. The Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714 is a better Chromebook overall than the HP Chromebook X360, although it is almost 3 times the price. Tell me which Chromebook you liked more in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.